Try this again. This is the limited break. We just showed the teams. YouTube keeps cutting out. It's going to be sideways, but here's the teams. I know just about everybody's watching live, so good luck, everybody. Thanks for your patience. Good luck. First box, '07 limited. Alright, first up we have, for the Atlanta Falcons, we got Work Done. Base card numbered 199 of 659. As usual, I won't show the numbers on the base, but if you want to see them, just ask and we'll make it happen. What's up, Doug? What's going on, man? We have, that sounds pretty funny, Pineda. Peyton Manning for the Colts, 446 of 659. We got David Irons, rookie for the Falcons. That is going to be 262 of 399, and Forrest Gregg, Spotlight, short print for the Packers. Alright, we'll show number on that one after this. We got a Steve McNair for the Baltimore Ravens. One color jersey, Steve McNair. Forrest Gregg is going to be numbered 2 of 20. 2 of 20. Short print. One color jersey, Air McNair. Going to the Baltimore Ravens. Next hit is pretty sick. Wow. Good vet. Fran Tarkenton for the Vikings. Team trademarks. Little die cut Viking helmet. Fran Tarkenton. Wow. Air McNair was 85 of 100. I'll show number on that shortly. That's a pretty sick Fran Tarkenton there. And then we have a multiplayer. It looks like we got Steelers. This will just go to the Steelers because the Jags are out. Matching positions. Looks like Franco Harris and MJD. Dual jersey. Fran is 12 of 25. Going to Mameter, 12 of 25. Nice hit. Sick looking card again. It's pretty darn nice. 22 of 100 on Franco Harris, MJD. And Air McNair was 85 of 100. RIP. I'll mark off the hits as we go. Zep with the Ravens. Mameter with the Vikings. And Mario 707 Cali with the Steelers. I'll do a box of 11 next. That is yours, Mario Kelly. That is yours. The Franco Harris MJD. Hopefully we don't need to check this. 2011, box number 2. First up, we got LeGarrette Blount for the Bucks. That's going to be numbered 496 of 499. Deshaun Jackson for the Eagles. 379 of 499. Chris Collinsworth, legend for the Bengals. 162 of 499. Base rookie phenoms Denarius Moore for the Raiders. That'll be an out card. It's going to be numbered 200 of 499. Limitless Devin Hester for the Bears. And that's going to be numbered 150 of 249. First hit from 2011. Good luck, everybody. Alex Green for the Green Bay Packers. That is Mufasa with the pack. Alex Green die cut dual jersey. Next up, I can already tell who that is, I think, from the auto. For the Cowboys, sick. DeMarco Murray. 3-color prime, looks screen printed, but 3-color jumbo. Patch auto rookie, DeMarco Murray for the Dallas Cowboys, going to Bastrox. Yeah, it's going to be pretty low numbered on that one. He's got a last card. Wow, look at that. Right behind him. For the Dallas Cowboys. Felix Jones. Wow, that would have been a big auto at the time, probably. 14 and 25 on the DeMarco jumbo patch auto. And Felix Jones was 32 of 35. 249 on the Alex Green. That would have been a fun box for a box war. It would have won. Cowboys and Packers. (2012). Move a little Denarius up there for us, Greg. All right. These are usually backwards, but let's see how it goes. Alright, we got base Vernon Davis for the Niners. Andy Dalton, Bengals. Vernon is 62 of 399. Andy Dalton. It's going to be 326 of 399. Dick Butkus for the Bears. Legend. 93 of 349. Michael Kendricks, rookie phenom. And then next up is, let's see, there we go. Next up, this will be our first hit, 2012, Washington Redskins. Kirk Cousins, sick. Kirk Cousins auto, going to Solaire 2K3. Yeah, very good timing on that one. Next hit. Are you serious? Look at this Washington Redskins. Blue chip RG3. In case you don't like Cousins. It's not an auto, but RG3. Back-to-back scans. Had back-to-back Cowboys in the last one. And limited threads. That looks like AP. Sick. 3-color Adrian Peterson. Wow. Pretty nice box. 3-color AP. 1/2 millimeter with the Vikings, numbered 1 of 49. Nice 3-color on that. RG3, 65 of 99. On a Solaire 2K3. And let's see what Cousins was doing. Cousins is 205 of 249. Kirk Cousins. Solid box. Got some solid hits out of the first few. 2013. Let's see, base. Alright, that way. What the hell? Okay. Alright, for the Cleveland Browns, little short print on the front. Bernie Kosar, 36 of 49. Spotlight. Kosar, 36 of 49 for the Browns. Base Niner, Kaepernick, 376 of 399. Ray Rice, 165, 399 for the Ravens. And rookie 4 of 299, Ziggy Ansah. Phenom's rookie 4 of 299. First hit of the break. Or the box, excuse me. Margus Hunt. Rookie auto. Monikers 29 of 199 for the Bengals. Margus Hunt. That is one-hitter cards with the Bengals. Next up. Big jersey, die cut Geno Smith for the Jets. Margus Hunt. Oh yeah, we have the number on that. Geno is numbered 15 of 199. Geno Smith. Our last card goes this way. Tiro Phenoms rookie 212. Giovanni Bernard. Wow, this is our third box. It had 2 hits for the same team. Nice one though. Giovanni Bernard for the Bengals. Going to one-hitter cards. 2 hits in that one. Bengals. And then the Jets. Hit with that Geno. That's Mufasa with the Geno. Well, Mammy, I'm glad this one's going better for you. Alright, that's half the break down. Half the break is down. Go back to 07. First up, we got Ronnie Brown for the Dolphins. Ronnie Brown base Dolphins, followed by T.O. Ronnie Brown 220 of 659. T.O. is 21 of 659. Ramon Guzman, the great Ramon Guzman for the Colts, 07 rookie. He did 196 of 399. Edmund Miles, another great rookie that worked out pretty well for the Dolphins. This looks like short print. It's going to be numbered 17 of 20, I believe. Show number on that in a sec. Willie Brown, jersey for the Raiders. That'll be an out card for the hit list. 17 of 20. That was on Edmund Miles. Oh, you guys had a shot. You had a shot. Could have bought him. He was just trying to sell him. Thurman Thomas. Material monikers. Sergeant Jeffrey Monster Sports Cards. Boom. Sick, man. Good hits out of this little mixer here. Thurman Thomas, game worn jersey, die cut. There's that again. I'll show numbers on it in a sec. And then Team Threads, last hit of 07. Pittsburgh Steelers, Franco Harris, Joe Green, and Jack Lambert. It's pretty sick little triple jersey for the Steelers there. Good Steelers greats, numbered 5 of 100. Did you, Mike? You got that same one? That Thurman? It's a nice one. 6 of 34, numbered 2, his jersey number. 6 of 34 on that Thurman. And Willie Brown was 40 of 100. That's our only hit so far for an out team. Alright. Back to 11. Oh, nice, Mike. Hell yeah. Last box of 2011. Jordy Nelson, base for the Packers. It's going to be numbered 165 of 499. Percy Harvin for the Vikings. 89 of 499. 390 of 499 is Boomer Esiason for the Bengals. Cowboys rookie Dwayne Harris. Phenom Jeremy Curley short print for the Jets. Dwayne Harris is numbered 420 of 499. And next up, first hit of this box. Ooh, Matt Schaub, wow. 7 of 25 on the Curley short print. 7 of 25. We'll show that number after if you want to see it. Matt Schaub for the Houston Texans. Super Husky fan. Next up, rookie auto for the Packers, DJ Williams. There's Mufasa with the pack. DJ Williams, rookie auto. Ooh, this is going to be nice, I hope. Prime 2-color. You don't see these autos very often. Draft day, Von Miller for the Broncos. Nasty. Broncos is SoCal Darren. 2-color prime Von Miller. Usually these are like a piece of the hat or something. Pretty tough pull those autos. 4 of 15. Damn. 80 of 199 on the DJ Williams. And then Schaub was 11 of 99. So even the Schaub jersey was pretty low numbered. There's that Curly again, 7/25. 2012. Good luck, Seahawks and Colts. One NT. Thanks, Mike. See if we can manage to fill that one. Appreciate it, man. 16 left. Yeah, this has been good, man. Been some good stuff pumping out of this one. Let's see. So these ones are backwards. Okay, so we're gonna do like so. Alright, last box 2012. We have McGahee short print for the Broncos. Gonna be numbered 13/25. Show number in a minute. Steve Young for the Niners. 127/349. Dre Kirkpatrick. Is that it for the base? Okay, Dre Kirkpatrick for the Bengals, rookie phenom. 24/299. And Fitzgerald for the Cardinals. For the Rams, we got a Jumbo Pede die cut. Fitz was 37/399. So for the Rams, we got Isaiah Pede going to Pineda. Next up, for the Vikings, one color jersey, blast from the past, Sidney Rice. Just it's a wrinkle in there, it looks like. Sidney Rice going to Mammeter. And last hit from 2012 is a quarterback. Good luck, guys. Going to Hortano Killy. Sick. Ryan Tannehill. Yeah, that's nasty. 3 color. Like 6 breaks on that thing. On card. Nice hit for the Miami Dolphins. And short print. This is going to be numbered 18/49. Short print Tannehill RPA. 10/25. Even the little Sidney Rice was pretty low numbered. And 16/99 on the Pede. And again, here was that McGahee we were trying to look at earlier. It's 13/25. Short print McGahee for the Broncos. Last box of the break, 2013 limited. Good luck, everybody. It's like a good number of hitless teams out there. A lot of teams have been doubling and tripling up. Alright, first up we have short print for the Colts, Trent Richardson, 6/49. T-Rich. Jeremy Curley, 81/399 for the Jets. 300/399 Eric Decker for the Broncos. Mingo rookie, 173/299. I think this will be a hit. For the Steelers, Monikers Justin Brown, 103/299 rookie auto. Justin Brown for the Steelers. Mario Cali. Steelers been getting a good amount. And next up, blue chip for the 49ers, Marcus Lattimore. Little die cut dual jersey, 95/99. Blue chip. He's got his arm length and his hand size on there in case you were curious. And final hit of the break. Good luck, everybody. This is the last one. Andre Ellington for the Cardinals. 52/299. 3 color Andre Ellington RPA. For AZ. And Cardinals is Sneaky Pete with the Cardinals. 52 of 299 on Ellington. $95 of 99 on Lattimore. And Justin Brown was 103 of 299. Short prints. Alright, and then we got Willie Brown for the hitless and a Denarius Moore base rookie as well. We'll get that randomed off. Get that randomed off shortly. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you again. And congrats to those who reaped big in that.